Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the Kids and Boys YouTube channel. In today's video we'll show you our days exploring Manila. After arriving in Manila, we went on a trip to IKEA, and this was the first time in more than 2.5 years, so we were very excited. For dinner, we had some of the famous Swedish meatballs, and they were very good. The next day, we went and cleaned our laundry. And in the evening, we went to do some grocery shopping. Next morning, we cleaned all of the groceries, so here's a time lapse. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, remember to watch the next video, because it's gonna be one of the best yet.